Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to change theme in Cursor AI. If you spend a lot of time coding, the theme of your code editor can make a big difference in both comfort and productivity. Cursor AI allows you to customize the appearance of the editor by switching between different themes, including light and dark modes, as well as various color styles. First, launch the Cursor editor on your computer. Once the editor opens, you'll see your workspace, where you can view files, write code, and use AI-powered features. The easiest way to change the theme in Cursor is by using the command palette. To open it, use the keyboard shortcut. Ctrl+Shift+P on Windows or Linux, Command+Shift+P on Mac. This will open a search bar at the top of the editor where you can quickly access different commands and settings. Inside the command palette, type :theme. You should see an option called Preferences, Color Theme. Select Color Theme from the list. This will open a menu containing all the available themes installed in the editor. Cursor provides several built-in themes with different color styles. These themes control how elements like background colors, code syntax highlighting, sidebar colors, text visibility appear in the editor. Scroll through the list to preview the available themes. As you move through the options, the editor will automatically show a live preview of each theme. Once you find a theme you like, simply click on it. The theme will immediately apply to your editor interface. This means your coding workspace will update instantly with the new colors and layout. And that's how you change the theme in Cursor AI. By opening the command palette, selecting the color theme option, and choosing a style you prefer, you can easily customize the look of your coding environment. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.